Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alivia Rahmayantini from first grade of MIPA 3. And now I will explain the material about narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems.
Jadi, teks narasi adalah cerita dengan komplikasi atau peristiwa bermasalah dan mencoba untuk menemukan resolusi untuk memecahkan masalah. Dan teks di atas adalah contoh dari teks narasi yang bergenre legend.
The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the readers with a story. The generic structure of narrative text is orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation or coda.
1. Orientation. It sets the scene, where and when the story happened, and introduces the participants of the story, who and what is involved in the story. 2. Complication. It tells the beginning of the problems which leads to the crisis climax of the main participants. 3. Resolution. The problem is resolved either in a happy ending or sad ending. And 4. Reorientation or coda. This is a closing remark to the story and it is optional. It consists of a moral lesson, advice, or teaching from the writer. Types of narrative text. Narrative text can be imaginary or factual. Here is an example of the genre of narrative text: fairy tale, mystery, science fiction, romance, horror, fable, myths and legends, history, slice of life, personal experience. Narrative text features using action verbs in past tense, using certain nouns as personal pronouns, using adjectives that form a noun phrase, use conjunction to order events. Jadi, kesimpulannya, narrative text adalah teks yang berisi sebuah cerita, baik tertulis ataupun tidak tertulis, dan terdapat rangkaian peristiwa yang saling terhubung.
That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.